Okay, so this video is going to go over the installation of the RVI breakaway wireless adapter to work with your RVI Break 3 system. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that you install your breakaway switch on your base plate first. Likely the Roadmaster base plate comes with a bracket for installing your breakaway switch. It's real simple. It's just one bolt at the rear of the bracket that you have to tighten down. Then you just run the wiring up behind your grill here, run it over to the left, and then back to the controller. Okay, so once you get your wires ran up from your breakaway on the base plate, you'll need to install the wireless adapter. I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to Velcro it to the top of my fuse box, and that way I can just run the wires over to the battery. You'll have both the positive and the negative batteries terminals here, and you just run it over to your battery post and put it on whichever one you feel. Okay, now that I have both the positive and the negative wires connected, you can see we're getting a flashing light here. So now I'm going to have to go and pair it to the command center. Okay, so now that the wireless adapter is connected and has been paired, you'll see you'll get the blue flashing light there next to the battery symbol. And then over here, you'll get a solid green light for the breakaway connection. That's letting you know that everything is connected properly. Okay, so the next thing to do is just to make sure you Velcro it to the top of your fuse box, or at least that's how I'm going to do it. All right, so that covers the installation of the RVI Break wireless controller for your breakaway. As you can see, it's simple install, just takes a few minutes. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below and I'll try to answer them if I can. Otherwise, if you felt that the video helped you out, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. Later.